Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cherry Bakewell cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your butter, followed by your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, then beat together until they are well combined. Lighter and fluffier would be ideal, but as long as they're well combined you're good to go. You can then go ahead and add in the egg and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. Not forgetting to add in the vanilla and almond extract. Mix until fully incorporated. You will notice a change in your consistency, so now would be a good time to give the bowl a good scraping down. So then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is just flour, baking powder and salt, followed by your white chocolate chips and your glacier cherries. Then fold in everything by hand. I find this doesn't break down the cherries as much as mixing it with the stand mixer. So just mix until you have a clear dough, being careful not to over mix. It should be much harder for you to over mix by hand like this, as you'll notice once it's ready. When the dough is ready, you can take your scoop and scoop up a generous amount, roll it between your hands and flatten it. Then make like a divot in the middle and fill that with some cherry jam. Plum jam would be ideal, but cherry jam also works very well. So just fill that with a generous amount, then just seal it up so the jam doesn't escape, but I didn't do a very good job of that. Roll between your two hands and then place onto a tray. You might want to flatten them down just a little bit. Repeat the process until you have no dough left, and you might find there's always a little bit left, like a tiny amount. I normally don't just make one batch of cookies at a time, so they're left over. I will always mix together and make a hybrid cookie, but again, if you don't need to, don't worry. You can then go ahead and finish these off before they go in the oven. Just place on some flaked almonds. You do not want these to be toasted, as they will get toasted while they're in the oven baking. Once you've topped them with almonds, go ahead and place them into a preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out if you are interested. Then on top of the cookies, once they're fresh from the oven, just add on a few white chocolate chips. And this is just like a bit more decoration, because why not, who doesn't? And I found adding some more cherries just for the appearance works really well. So I started with 3, but then I found I had enough for 4 on each. So go with 4 on each and then let them set and cool down fully, then you can enjoy them. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.